Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today this video is about me showing you the baby Lainey, the one that I was reborn in last week. Well, she's all done. And I'm gonna show you her painted hair for the very first time that I painted hair. And this is the baby that I reborn in memory of Katie's Angels Reborn Nursery channel, her pet. And her pet was Angel, and Angel passed away. And when I want this kit from her, I told her that I'm gonna reborn this kit in memory of her lovely dog that she had. So this baby's name is gonna be Angel, because I told her that I'm gonna reborn a baby in memory of her dog, and I'm naming this baby Angel. So this is the kit that I want from her, and she's all done. And I'm gonna show you her little stuff, the nails and the hands and the feet and her hair. So let me get the camera out. So here's her feet, and she's wearing this adorable, beautiful pink vintage dress. It's a little big on her, but it's okay because it still looks good on her. So I'm gonna show you her feet. This is her feet. And you see the undertones and all that. Here is her other feet. There she is. And I'm gonna show you her beautiful blue eyes, her super cute lips. I pierced her ears. She's wearing the golden bracelet. This is one of her hands. This is the other open hand. And I'm going to show you her hair. I'm going to remove the headband so you guys can see her hair. I think she looks adorable. There she is. That is baby Angel. I just love how she turned out. And I mean, I am not perfect at doing, hair, because this is the very first painted hair I have done. Very first one. So there she is with her earrings. It's so cute. Look at the eyebrows. I gave her like bushy eyebrows. So cute. Look at the blue eyes. So yeah, Katie, if you're watching this video, here is the baby, the one that I want from your channel. And I named her Angel. And I hope you guys like this video. And thanks for watching my videos. And for the new subscribers, I appreciate you subscribing to my channel. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos to come. I'm going to be reborning another baby soon. Yeah, but I wanted to do this one because I've been wanting to reborn this baby for the longest time. I had this baby since March. I want this baby in March, and March is my birthday, and 9 months that I had this baby without reborning her. So, but she's done, and I'm happy. I'm happy, and this baby's gonna stay with me forever because I want this baby, and it's gonna stay in my nursery. She's so adorable, you guys. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. God bless. Bye.